Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. And today is Wednesday, which means it's the Brewed Beauties collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Pauline from Pandora 57 Nail 78, Johna by My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica Sue's Nail and More. I think I got everybody. Their channels will be listed down below. Please go watch them. So today's theme, this week's theme for July 18th is 18th, 19th is the July birth flower, which is the water lily or larkspur. So I chose the larkspur, and I'm going to show you. Those are the colors, and they also come in white. So that's interesting. And the other one is water lily, which can be white or pink. So I thought that was interesting. And it's a very pretty flower, but like from what I was reading, it's one of the few flowers that do come in blue. Nature very rarely creates blue in flower form, and larkspur, that's what it's noted for, that there are blue larkspur flowers. So they range in from, I'm reading off my phone, from blue to pink, purple, like an indigo purple, and regular purple, blue, pink, and white. All right. So there's that. So like I said, the July birth flowers are larkspur and water lily. Larkspurs are a symbol of positivity and dedication. They make a great addition to any garden. Given their height and beautiful purple-blue blooms that can vary from indigo to lavender, they also come in pink and white. Beware, though, that these plants are poisonous. The water lily represents purity and innocence while providing a boost to aquatic ecosystems and serving as an inspiration for one of the world's great painters. Okay. So today I'm going to use Jawbreaker and Alice in Wonderland palette to create my Larkspur July flower look. So I've already put my blush on, contour, my foundation, blah blah blah. Set my eyes. So I think I'm gonna go into. I'm using Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker, and I'm gonna go into Virgin, just at the top, so I have something to blend into. And I'm just doing that lightly. Take it way up, just so I have something to blend into. And it can represent the white, if it wants to. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. My eyebrows are looking funky. I tried to fill them in a little bit, but I'm not digging it. Alright, so I'm going to go into Gumdrop, which is that purple color. And I am going to make a line just a small V there. Well, it's got to be a little bigger because I have hooded eyes, so. There we go. Do the same on the other eye. Sorry about the air conditioner noise, but it's like a freaking sauna outside. My one ear has been ringing for days. Almost like a tinnitus. It's positional though. If I lean my head back, it rings. If I put it forward, it don't. Kind of weird, huh? Alright, then I'm going to go into bubble gum to represent, this is to represent the purplish blue. I'm going to be adding, well, I'm going to go into the blue. Brain freeze right there. Next. And I'm going to go right above that purple. Maybe I should have went with the pink. I don't know. I am going to blend that, so don't panic. I'm just trying to get the color on there. Alright. Now I'm going to go into bubblegum, which is the pink. Well, at least the air conditioner was not as obnoxious as it normally is. It's so humid. And the temperature's like in that weird... It's like not as hot as yesterday. Yesterday it was like 87. It's like about 82 right now. But it's like a cool 82. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, so I'm going to take a blender. And I'm going to blend this. And then I'll be adding some more in. Alright. So to get that deeper blue, I'm just going to barely touch soaked and go in on the outer corner, bring it up. Just to deepen that up a little bit. Alright, so let me find a different brush. Because I want to deepen those colors up a little tiny bit. I'm going to go back into Gumdrop. Let me pause this. Sorry about that, guys. I guess my husband made brunch and didn't realize I was filming. Alright, so we're going back into gumdrop. Bring some of that brighter pink in. I'm digging that. Alright. Yeah, I like that a little better. I just did brain freeze and then a little bit of the soaked in the corner. Alright, I'm digging that. I'm going to go into the Alice in Wonderland palette. Because I want this. It's like, it's called AEIOU. And it's like that shimmer. And it's the like the color of this. It has some purple in it and blue. Yep, I like that. Been having a lot of deja vus, guys. I'm going in with Level Up mascara. My eyelashes are going to act weird and be clumpy today. It's the humidity. I just can't win today with this humidity. Alright, there's eyelashes. Cute look. I'm going to go in with green to represent the stem of the plant. And this is NYX Emerald. And oh, those are kind of cool purples on. Let's just do a lip gloss. I'm gonna do the gloss. I can't read the bottom. See if you guys can read it. It has purple in it. All right. So there is my Larkspur July birth flower look. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, it could use a little more blending. There we go. All right, so there's my look, guys. Please follow the rest of the Brewed Beauties. I will have their channels listed down below. Go watch them. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any time I upload. And join my channel. Join my family. Let's have some fun. All right, until next time. We'll see you later. Bye.